Accessibility Guidelines. Lesson Plan for Accessibility Fundamentals, WCAG. By edupro. Overview and Purpose. Accessibility and Context. What is web accessibility and why is it important? WCAG. Understanding of accessibility and WCAG's 13 guidelines. Technical specifications, other areas of W3C work. Design and develop. Rules and tips for making your site accessible on the web. Tips for getting started with web accessibility, other resources. Evaluating accessibility. Introduction, initial checks, tools, for developers of test tools and methodologies, alternatives for video introduction, resources overview. Accessibility Q&A. Overview, design, related queries, testing queries, documentation concerns, and other queries. Accessibility Planning and Management. Resources on accessibility planning and management, as well as web accessibility laws and policies. Overview and Purpose on accessibility. Accessibility and Context. The web is fundamentally designed to work for all people, whatever their hardware, software, language, location, or ability. When the web achieves this goal, it is usable by people with a wide range of hearing, movement, sight, and cognitive abilities. Therefore, because the web removes barriers to communication and engagement that many people encounter in the real world, the impact of handicap is drastically altered on the internet. However, poorly built websites, applications, technologies, or tools may erect obstacles that prevent users from using the web. What is accessibility? Web accessibility means that websites, tools, and technologies are designed and developed so that people with disabilities can use them. Web accessibility means that people with disabilities can use the web. It also benefits people without disabilities. For example, please check below. Gadget users. People using mobile phones, smart watches, smart TVs, and other devices with small screens, etc. Senior citizen, older people whose abilities are changing as they age. Disabilities, people suffering from temporary disabilities, such as a broken arm or misplaced glasses. Situational constraints, such as not being able to listen to audio. Why accessibility? All people should be able to perceive, comprehend, engage with, and interact with electronic information in order to be full, active participants in the digital world. When putting accessibility measures in place, it is important to consider the needs of people with visual, auditory, physical, verbal, cognitive, and neurological impairments.